Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today I'm going to be showing some phones that are free on carriers that all of us who live unlocked, we paid a lot of money for them. And I just have 5 phones sitting in front of me that I'm going to show you, and they are very expensive, but you can get them free on carriers right now. Even some of them are brand new. So living unlocked, you hear me say this a lot. You might see a lot of creators or influencers saying this, but most of the time they're getting the phone free, or they're getting so much money on returns from their YouTube revenue. It's nothing to them. So they can switch out 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. I got to say myself, what I'm going to show you is an example of that. I choose to live unlocked because I want a little bit more freedom. And if you guys know, I was with T-Mobile for about 26 years or so. I was with them before they were called T-Mobile. And then eventually I made the switch to, and I also had other carriers along the way. I had Verizon for 10 years because I had multiple phone lines. I had AT&T for about 7 or 8 years. I had them when they were singular. As well. And I have multiple carriers on top of having T-Mobile as my primary carrier. But essentially, eventually, T-Mobile joined with Sprint, and their network where I live, trash. It went to trash. And so I had to leave. And so that is why I went to Visible Wireless. Now, you can find a link to Visible Wireless down below and get $20 off your first bill if you decide to do so. That leads to you getting the monthly bill for probably $5 or $10 for the first month if you decide to use them. And after that, if you don't like it, just cancel. But I got a feeling if you switch from T-Mobile or AT&T to Visible, you're going to love it. Verizon, not so much. Why? Because it's on Verizon's network. So that's the good thing about Visible. It costs less than Verizon and you get pretty much the same type of coverage. There's not a lot of drop calls or anything. There's nothing like that. So I would encourage anyone who's looking to get into Verizon Wireless, take the Visible route because this is a much more sustainable route. And also with Visible, I think I pay $5 to $10 a month for the last, I've been paying $5 to $10 a month for the last 2.5, 3 years I've been with Visible. I don't even know. So just take that into consideration. If you decide to make the switch to Visible Wireless, you can actually potentially do a lot of referrals and pay $5 to $10 a month, depending on your plan. And I actually have multiple lines with Visible now because of all the referrals. I can have unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited calls, everything for $15 a month for 2 phone lines. So let's get to these free phones that are currently on T-Mobile as the carrier I'm going to use in this example. So let's go with the phone that's actually not free, but it is still only $8. And this is contingent on you staying with them for the 24-month period that they're offering it. So they're just going to give you a bill credit. Now, to be fair, I have done this before with a carrier, with T-Mobile. I took the bill credits. Depending on what phone it was worth it. And so for a phone like this, the S26 Ultra, it's totally worth it to do a bill credit for 24 months and pay $8 for this phone. And that is probably for the entry level one, which is 256 gig, which you have to check with T-Mobile specifically because I don't have service with them anymore. But $8 for an S26 Ultra, that's a pretty good deal. And this is the only phone that I'm going to show you that is not free. And it's still basically free though. I mean, your bill won't increase too much. $8.33, I think it is. That's exactly what it is for this phone. And I think that's extraordinarily impressive that they could actually do that. And because they want your monthly bill. And also depending on how much your monthly bill is, they're locking you in for 2 years. So the phones are carrier locked to T-Mobile. That's some of the disadvantages. And any of these carrier phones are going to be locked to them. But T-Mobile is really the flexible one. They'll unlock your phone for if you meet certain criteria with them. And I know this because I was with T-Mobile for that long. They'll unlock your phone once you meet certain criteria. And one way to unlock it is to have it paid in full, but that defeats the purpose of doing it because they know you're not going to do that because you want the monthly credits. And so in order to get the discounted price, you have to keep the phone during this entire 2-year period that they do this. So this is a good phone for $8 a month. I think a lot of people would clearly take this deal if they wanted a Samsung phone. And I don't think you should pass on it if you want the latest and greatest. But the disadvantages of doing something like this, let me say this now, is that I don't know if they still do it, but they used to take their phones back and clear your balance and let you upgrade every 12 months. Now, you current T-Mobile customers, let me know if you can do that, because when I was with T-Mobile, I could buy a phone under contract, or not contract. When they started doing this, at the beginning, they used to let you get the phone. T-Mobile will let you get it. And if the year comes and the new version of it comes out, they'll take your phone back on a trade-in and they'll pay the balance and let you start all over again. Now, the thing is, you don't ever own the phone unless you complete the term. But hey, it's something to think about. Now, the next phone that is completely free, it's crazy, this one's $0, is the iPhone Air. The iPhone Air is completely free with T-Mobile. You just get bill credits. And these next 4 phones are completely free with bill credits. Like they'll charge it and wipe it out. You won't even see it on your account. This is the iPhone Air, one of the best iPhones made to date, I believe, along with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a huge win for people who have this phone. I love this phone, and I just couldn't be happier for people who actually got in and got this phone. You are winning with this phone. So the iPhone Air is completely free and no charge. You just get it. You get on for the 2 years and it's yours. That, folks, is a win. That's a major win for someone who's, thinking about getting an iPhone and you don't want to spend too much money, because these aren't, I didn't mean to say if you don't spend a lot of money. If you don't want the same thing that everybody else has, the Air is definitely the way to go. It is hands down, without a doubt, the iPhone to get if you want something different, fast, fluid, great camera. Just, it's all around. You get a bigger phone too at a really thin profile. So the iPhone Air is another one that is the first one I'm showing you that is actually flat out just free. Free. Now, another one that I have here is the one of my favorite phones, and I go back to this phone all the time, is the Pixel 10 Pro. The Pixel 10 Pro, the smaller variant, is actually $0, just like the iPhone Air. Amazing. This is the small variant. It probably doesn't look like it, but this is the Pro, the 10 Pro. This phone is absolutely $0. Again, 24 months, you can have this phone, just have to stay locked in. And this is a killer deal, just like this is a killer deal. And the deals are getting ready to get really good right now. So Pixel 10 Pro, iPhone Air, it's all about choices with that. So if you're an iPhone person and you want something really great and you say, I need it all. Well, the 17 Pro is completely free on T-Mobile with bill credits. Completely free. You can get this phone free with bill credits. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that crazy? Completely free with bill credits. This is incredible. I cannot believe that this is a thing. They're totally, it's just free. Wow, right? That's amazing. You can get the iPhone 17 Pro, and this is the Pro, which means you get at least 256 gigs. This is a 512, but you get at least 256 gigs free. And I think when you want to go up in storage, let me say this also, if you move up in storage options, some of these might not be free, so to speak, but I think it's probably going to cost like maybe $2 to $3, $4, depending on what the storage option is. So I think you probably should consider picking up a free phone if you're on T-Mobile, because these free phones are actually really good. And I'm saving kind of like one of the best for last. And you already know what it is. Yeah, the Moto Razr Fold that just came out is completely free on T-Mobile, folks. Completely free. Some of you guys will have these deals, and some of you guys will have this deal for sure. This should be the thumbnail, right? You will have this deal for sure, because a lot of you guys have already told me this in my comment section. You guys are, spreading the word. Oh my God, it's free. And I looked and it's still free. This is a huge win for you guys. Huge win. You really need to get on board with getting this phone for free. And it's only a 2-year term for it as well. And I say that because a lot of the phones back in the day, like when I was on T-Mobile, when they had these phones that came out that were $2,000, $2,500, or it was a phone that came out that was, I think it was one of the folds that came out that turned out being almost $2,500. They made you do a longer term to get the price lower, or you had to pay like a third of the price of the phone. Yeah, I know some of you guys will remember that. But this one coming in at like almost $2,000, it is $2,000 after taxes, but to get this phone at zero cost on T-Mobile, folks, who cares if it's carrier locked? That is a win. Get a really affordable plan if you don't already have one, and take the phone for free. Period. You're winning. This is a major win to get this for free on T-Mobile. Why this is happening, I have my own theory on why some of these companies are doing this. And I only like to follow T-Mobile because while I don't have them anymore and I'm full throttle Verizon, I also have Google Fi as well. I had Google Fi since Project Fi. So I have 3 phone lines. So I've got my Google Fi and my Verizon. So I think this is happening because these companies are struggling. Customers can't afford to keep paying. And first of all, the Razr, if you look at the price of the Razr without anything, and the monthly cost will be about $70 a month plus your plan. Folks, I gotta take a sip on that. Water, electrolyte water. Folks, that is that's probably the cost of your bill. $70 a month is what this phone costs through T-Mobile. A little over $70 if you want to pay for it monthly to get it for free. If you don't get it for free, that's a lot of freaking money. It's a lot of money. I think these companies are struggling. And I think that's why you see T-Mobile jumping out there saying, forget the phones, but we can get that money back long term. We just got to lock them in. That's what it is. That's what I personally believe it is. I think people are going more the route that I took, which is to go full on prepaid. You're in control of your entire plan. You can move your number wherever. You can do whatever you want to do, and you still can get all the greatest phones. Case in point, outright. I don't have to say it. I don't have to hold these all up, but outright. I pay more money. And I got discounts on some of these too, like big time. Like I didn't pay the full cost for any of these phones. I think I paid the full cost for, well, even with my military, I still get a discount on these Apple products, but I didn't pay, I got this half off. So like 512 gig for $650. I can get all these at good prices because Google Fi is amazing. So, and they're already unlocked. I love living the unlocked life. I've enjoyed it for these past, I don't know how many years. I've always lived unlocked, but I was still on a carrier. So I was buying the unlocked phones and getting on the carrier, using them on my carrier of choice because I didn't want to be locked in with them. But I thought, screw this, I'm gone. Now I've got 2 unlimited data, unlimited hotspot, unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited calls, and it's great service, $15 a month for 2 phones. That's an incredible deal for me. Now, the way you get that, once again, is you got to get referrals. So here's the thing. If you use my link, you get $20 off. You get your own link at that point. Go refer people. Don't put your link in my comment section because it'll never see the daylight. However, go put it out there on your social media. Post it wherever you want to post it. Someone will click on your link. One day I just did, I posted, okay, I know I have somewhat of an advantage because I do stuff like this, but you don't need a YouTube channel to post on your community tab or your Twitter or wherever. That's all I did. I talked about it for a second and then posted it. And next thing you know, tons of referrals. And I still get referrals because it benefits you. So when you're doing referrals, don't worry about like when you're using someone's link and you're getting a bonus or something like that. Some people kind of get caught up in, well, I don't want to give that person anything. Well, that's kind of silly because you're getting something in return. You're getting the same thing I'm getting. I've seen people do this before. It's kind of strange. But nonetheless, if you use my link, you do get $20 off, but I get $20 off. That's the joy. We spread it around. So by using my link, I'm giving you the ability to have your own link for new people, that is. If you're already a customer, then you've already got your own link. Go log into your account and go start posting. And you can be like me, paying $15 a month for like going on 3 years or more probably for 2 phones, unlimited everything. It's an amazing thing. So while these carriers have really good deals, how do you feel about living unlocked versus locked? Do you want to pay up front or do you want to be locked in and pay for 2 years, stuck 36 months? And I'm talking about T-Mobile. I know AT&T does 36 months and I know Verizon does too. And T-Mobile used to do 36 months, but I didn't really see it on their site. But nonetheless, which way do you swing? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.